Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Virtual Versions token. Now this token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They've already passed their soft cap and there's still like 14 hours left of this pre-sale as of recording this video. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, the Virtual Versions token. So it says, welcome to Virtual Versions. We offer tools to restore digital ownership on a mass scale using our flagship product, VV Social. The social app that pairs individuals with a virtual version of themselves to create the first human-backed avatar. Ecosystem includes SBTs, NFTs, Mverse app, interoperable wallets and ID, KYC audited doxed, tech acquisitions of $3 million plus, coin market cap pre-listed, advised by GDA Capital, contract hard locked, 8-figure exited founders, AMAs, calls, strikes, press confirmed, and central exchange and decentral exchange listings after launch. So they do have a full audit on PinkSale here. It says they were audited by CertiK. They have a CertiK audit, and you can check that out on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. So they have a soft cap for this pre-sale was 50 BNB. They've already passed that, so it's already a successful pre-sale. 87 BNB as of recording this video has already been sold. There's only 14 hours left, so by the time I upload this video, there'll only be a few hours left to catch this pre-sale. They might even sell out because hard cap is 200 BNB, so they could even sell out by the time I upload this video because they're trending number 3 right now. But if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get the VV token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be listed on PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Virtual Versions token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, virtualversions.xyz. Now, if you want to find out exactly when the pool is filled on PancakeSwap, it's a good idea to follow one of their socials, like their Twitter is at Virtual Versions, or their Telegram, which is at Virtual Versions Official. They'll tell you exactly when the pool is filled on PancakeSwap shortly after the pre-sale is over. So, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It says here their token metrics pie chart, 90% of the tokens are locked, 9.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, this is not a very accurate pie chart here. We'll try to find one on their page that tells more details here, but that's what it says on PinkSale. Now, they also have a quick audit on PinkSale by Analytics Audit. There's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. So the next generation interoperable identity solution. So the VV token is the main engine on our platform, allowing people to transfer value across the ecosystem and earn rewards and discounts for VV products and experiences. So Unis Labs is our hold co with our flagship product being the VV Social, an online social media platform that pairs individuals with a high-fidelity virtual version of themselves to create the first human-backed digital avatar to act as the central hub for individuals' digital identity. These avatars guide the user as they traverse the metaverse and beyond, and are interoperable across AR, VR, Web 2, and Web 3 environments. So on their roadmap here, it says their phase 1 is going to be R&D completed on the virtual versions technology, pre-seed funding from angel investors, private beta launched on test flight, reach 20+ partnerships, launch on BNB chain testnet, grow community, acquire industry-leading advisors, CertiK audit, 2,000 Telegram members. So all that's completed. They've even completed some other stuff here. So they've completed confirm market makers, influencer marketing collaborations, confirm launchpad partnerships, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, acquired 10,000 Telegram members, and activate partnerships for avatar solutions. So those are all checked off. Next is VC investment begin IDO listing on top decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Integrate into multiple virtual world metaverses, VV social platform launch V1.0, and accelerate our metaverse build, and then more to come in the future. Now their tokenomics are basically, they're on here like I mentioned earlier. It is split up like this. So this is a better pie chart here. It says 7.5% of the tokens go to exchange listings, 2.5% market makers, 7% development marketing, 6% advisors, 7% strategic partners, 15% team and employees, 42.5% goes to ops and consumer rewards, 7.5% public sale, and 5% private rounds. So besides that, there is a technology section that you could review if you want to learn about the virtual versions. It says their mission, our core mission, is to provide a system that restores digital ownership to the people and removes them from the position of just being a product. By utilizing our self-developed technology, you are able to create a virtual version of yourself to act as a central hub for your online world. This will act as a simple form of identity and to be a central place for you to enter virtual worlds. Entering the virtual world, you are being a character. At the base layer is you, the virtual version that holds your information, NFTs, digital assets, land, and game assets all in one place. As you move across different virtual worlds, all your identity moves with you. So yeah, cool. They have like a cool video that shows you, shows like a person and then what their virtual version would look like. And you can find that in their document section at docs.virtualversions.xyz. And check that out in the technology section. You can also learn about the team, official links, full ecosystem explained, media kit, digital ID, market research, and airdrop section, and more. There's tons of info on here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.